Hello there. Welcome back to NPTressTreats. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Trail of Feather scarf. So if you don't use scarves, you should be. Everybody should have at least one scarf in their repertoire of hair stuff, fashion stuff. So one reason I think everyone should have a scarf is just because you can use it when you don't feel like combing your hair. You can use it to add to your hair for some flair. You can use it to cover your pillowcase to help prevent frizz. You can use it to cover your car headrest, again, to help prevent frizz. You can use it to sleep with, put your hair in a pineapple. You can do so many things. Scarves are so universal. So again, I'm talking to you about the Trail of Feather scarf today. The Trail of Feather scarf is available in 6 different colors, and I'm going to go through the 6 different colors. And then once I go through the 6 different colors, I'm going to, at the end of this video, there's going to be another video with a fun little tutorial that I made with my cousin. We were just having fun, and I just wanted to show you, you can, a way to style your scarves. And just, as I always like to say, scarves are for all hair types, all hair textures, all hair lengths. There's no, scarves are not just for one type of hair, one type of style, one type of texture. So here we go, Trail of Feather. So the first one's going to be the Noir. Here's the Noir. It has red trimming. And then we're going to go with the Tan. So the knot, because I was using this one for myself to style my hair. So this is the Tan with the Rust, just so you can see the rust. And then there's the Tan with orange as well. And I'm going to put them side by side so you can see. So this is the orange, right? So Tan with the rust, with the orange, and then with the rust. So you can see them together. Rust and orange. And then there's the yellow. It's like a golden with brown. So you can see it. And then we have the green. I think the green is totally my favorite. So there's the green. It has tan cream on the edge. And then here is the like violet, like navy color. So yeah, so again, the Trail of Feather scarf is available in 6 sizes, and after I finish this, there's going to be another little quick fun video right after. So thanks for watching. The scarves are available at NPTressTreats.com. Love ya. Bye. Hi there. Welcome back to NPTressTreats TV. So today I have my cousin with me, and we're going to do the bow on top video. So I brought a friend with me just so you can see how easy it is to do this style. Now we both have locks, but this style works on any hair type. All right, so you're gonna take your scarf like this. You're gonna fold it in half, make a triangle, and you're gonna do what I like to call bandana style. Headband style. You're gonna roll it like this. So it's gonna be like this. Okay. All the way down. Yes. Then you're gonna take it. You're gonna make sure you have the center, and you're gonna bring it around the back, and then take it up like this. So it should be even here. And then make sure your ears are untucked. Hi. And so then you're going to take this and then tie it in like a tie, like this, once through. And then you're going to take it and do a bunny ear. And then another bunny ear. And you're going to stick it through. Like that. So yeah, so that's the bow on top. Oh yeah. See, very cute, very simple. There it is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like scarf tutorials. What do you think? Very demure.